Hello, friends. I hope you are safe and enjoying with your families in this quarantine. We are going to start this channel for those who are aspirant of agriculture examinations. We'll try to cover all the subjects with the facts and figure. So important question will be discussed, and we want your comment that which topic you want or the portion you want to see in our videos. So as this channel is very new, so we want your support so that we can share the informations, the knowledge gathered by different personals, different experts to you. Now I would like to ask one question, that what do you mean by agriculture? So many of the people will say that going to field plowing is agriculture, but I will say that agriculture is a very broad term encompassing all the aspects of crop production, livestock farming, fisheries, forestry, etc. It starts with the germination of the seeds. The dormancy is breaking when the seed is exposed to the moisture. So after that, the plant is grown and it gives a harvested product. So it may be maize, it may be rice, it may be wheat, it may be fruits, flowers. So harvested product may be anything. So basically the agriculture is divided into two groups, that is horticulture and agriculture. So these are the agriculture field crops comprises of the major crops like wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, then pea, etc. And the horticulture crops includes the vegetables and fruits that provides the vitamins and minerals to us. So the fruits and vegetables are generally grown off season in some of the areas in greenhouse. So these crops fetches the good prices in the markets, and the farmers are using this technology. Now coming to the care and management, here we can see that there are four types of soil, that is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. Different type of soil is required for the growth of the different crops. Like in case of cotton, they prefer black soil over the other soils, and the majority of the crops are grown in the alluvial soils. The soil are amended with the organic amendments like the enriched compost, vermicompost, decompost, and some of the fertilizers like DAP, MOP, urea. Now coming to the crop protection, the plants are infected or infested by the microorganisms or the insects, nematode, etc. Here you can see that the banana is infected with a fungus, and it's showing the rot, and it fetches very low prices in the market. And the another one is the brinjal. Also you can see that the insect damage which causes the rot. From the detrimental effects, the microorganisms are also providing the foods like mushroom that we are consuming in our home. The insects are pollinating the plants and producing the honey. Then this silkworm, they are producing the raw material for making the silk clothes, and many other uses are there. Now coming to the crop improvements. The crop improvements, their main objective is to create a good variety, the disease resistant varieties through different techniques like plant breedings. They are doing the breeding the plants and making the hybrids. Biotechnologies, they are culturing the plants. So some of the plants or the seeds, you can say that they cannot germinate in normal conditions. Like in case of orchid, their seeds are not viable, so they can be cultured in the tissue culture techniques. Now coming to the extension activities, the extension workers are involved in the extension activities. They are the bridge between the lab and the land. So they are providing the informations to the farmers by using method demonstration, mass communications, where they aware the farmers about the technologies. Economics deals with the supply, demand, profits, income of the farmers and the nation. So it starts with the inputs purchase like seed, fertilizers, sprayer, etc. It also includes the transportation of the produce from one place to the another, and lastly to the selling of the crops in the market. So by studying the agriculture, you can be a scientist. For that scientist, you have to appear examinations like ARS NET. You can be a professor, a subject matter specialist, agriculture officer, quarantine officers. You can be a banker, and lastly you can be an entrepreneur. So lastly, these are some of the major subjects where you can achieve your goal, your ambition. So in our next video, we'll cover some of the other aspects of agricultures, and we'll try to provide the important questions